Okay, let's do a little bit more work here. We're going to use Desmos to be able to graph this, but we want to figure out how to solve this particular problem. So the way that we do it is, notice that we have this equation, 3 equals that. We're going to set y equal to both sides. So we're going to set y equal to that one, y equals 3, which is where we get this one from. And then we're going to set y equal to 1/2 e to the x. So that would be this one over here. And so when we set those equal to each other and we go and graph them, where they cross is going to be our solution. So we're going to go over to Desmos to do that. Of course, you're going to log in if you aren't already logged in. We're going to do the two equations as we go through this. So we're going to do y equals 3 as my first one, and y equals 1/2 e. Of course, we have that e there, and I think it's just e to the x. So e to the x. So remember, we do the up arrow x, and then we can see that it crosses right here. And I can, of course, click on that, and I can see, remember that we are looking for the x value. So, of course, we have an x value here. That's what we're looking for. Our x value is 1.792. So we'd come up here and we would say x equals 1.792. Eventually, we're going to see how to do this by hand. Okay, and then I think we have just one more problem. So in this problem now, we're going to distribute that 2. So we have 1/3 squared e to the 2x squared. We can do that because it's multiplication. That gives us 1/9. And then we multiply these two together. So we have e to the 4x. And you have one check to do. That's the end of Module 7 in this particular section. So we are done, and we'll move on to the next section.